Hello, and welcome back to our Partner Learning Series for your POS partners, ServingIntel point of sale system. In today's lesson, we will continue to discuss item maintenance. As you should remember from our first video on this topic, item maintenance allows the user to define item properties, including item name, pricing, department, etc. Using item maintenance, users can create, modify, or delete menu items and modifiers to be sold on the front end when the item sell button is selected. In our last video, we also discussed how to create a new menu item from scratch. And if you'll remember, I mentioned that this is not how we normally suggest our partners create new menu item buttons. As we saw in our last session, there are a ton of different options that you can enable or disable depending on what type of item you are creating a button for. So in today's video, we're going to learn how to create a new item menu for sale the easy way. And just like any of the other maintenances, we will begin by signing into our back office software. And if you don't remember how to do this or are unsure, please refer back to the video entitled Back Office Basics. Once you are in your back office, you will start by clicking the maintenance icon. Next, select an item with similar properties, order printers, discounts, department, taxes, etc. In the example below, the item app bruschetta will be used to create a new item, app smoked shrimp. You will notice that different sections of the menu begin with a different prefix, such as APP for appetizers or BEV for beverages. Now that we have chosen the appetizer bruschetta as our similar item to start with, we can move on to the next step. So next we will need to enter an item description in the description field. In this example, we will be making a button for smoked shrimp, as we stated earlier. Next, enter a receipt description in the receipt description field. In this example, smoked shrimp was entered as the receipt description as well. Next, you will need to enter a price in the default price field. In this example, we will change the price of $6.95 for the bruschetta to $9.95 for the default price for the smoked shrimp appetizer. Next, you will configure any additional settings as desired. For instance, since this is a new menu item, we want to track how well each server is selling this item. So we will go down over here and enable the Item is a server promo item checkbox. Once the new item settings have been configured to your satisfaction, click File, Save As. In the Save Item window, enter an item name. In this example, App Smoked Shrimp was entered in the item name. Then once you have chosen the button name, you just click the OK button. And voila! You have just created a new button for your amazing smoked shrimp appetizer. But as a best practice, we always suggest that you check your work and make sure that the item that you entered is going to the correct printers, charging correctly, etc. And once you've verified that your button works flawlessly, you can now add buttons to your heart's content. And as always, if you encounter any issues with this or any aspect of your system, please call the POS Partner Service Desk for 24-hour-a-day, 7-day-a-week premium software support at 1-888-477-7711 extension 2. Support tickets can also be generated by sending an email to service@pos.partners, and your support request will be handled quickly and efficiently by one of our highly trained and dedicated support staff members. Thank you for tuning in to our Partner Learning Series, and be on the lookout for more helpful videos and tips coming soon. And most importantly, thank you for choosing POS Partners ServingIntel for all of your restaurant technology needs.